Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the second monitor is connected and powered. That avoids wasted clicks. Once verified, right-click the desktop and open Display Settings to identify which screen is 1 or 2. You should set primary versus secondary only if you want the taskbar or apps moved. Make sure resolution and orientation match. Mismatches can distort wallpapers. This opens the control area where you will assign backgrounds specifically to the second monitor. Now you choose the actual image and delivery method. This is where the how matters. Go to Personalization, right arrow background, then select Picture, Slideshow, or Windows Spotlight depending on whether you want a single image or cycling images. Click Browse to pick the file on your drive. Once selected, use the Choose a Fit drop-down and pick Fill, Fit, Stretch, or Center to preserve aspect ratio and avoid cropping. Once done, right-click the displayed thumbnail and assign Finish by applying the change and testing. Press Win+L or lock the screen to confirm the second monitor displays the new background. If the image appears on the wrong screen, return to Background and right-click the thumbnail or reselect the monitor in Display Settings to reassign. That fixes common assignment errors. If images still won't apply, update your graphics drivers and reboot, because outdated drivers or incorrect display order often block per monitor wallpapers and cause scaling problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.